Hi, I'm Matthew, reaching you from Komodo headquarters in Clifton, New Jersey, overlooking New York City. One of the cornerstones of the Komodo One IT and security management platform is the service desk, which is tied into a robust ticketing system. It makes your life more efficient, enabling you to log your time tied into clients and projects. It allows you to address service requests coming from customers with a ticketing system, create and manage those tickets, and meet SLAs, all for free, of course. We're going to take you through how to set up and use Service Desk in Komodo One. There are several main components. Number 1, setup, staff, and departments. 2, configure accounts and add customers. 3, create and manage tickets. And 4, generate reports. We're going to do some basic setup. The admin panel. First, you'll need to log into your Komodo One account. Simply go to one.komodo.com and click on Login, then enter your login credentials on the next page. Then, from your dashboard, click on Applications, then click on Service Desk. By default, Service Desk will go to the Open Tickets page inside the Staff panel. Click on Admin Panel on the bottom left to switch to the Admin panel. We'll detail the admin configurations elsewhere, but you should be aware of this panel and understand the default settings Komodo One has set up for you. You can customize this page to adjust settings, but please pay attention to the Help Desk URL, which is most important on this page. Add staff and departments. Your first step in setting up Komodo One is to enroll staff members who will respond to support tickets from your customers. To add staff, click the Management tab on the top menu bar. Then click Staff. You'll see a window with these column headings: Name, Email, Verified, which indicates whether the administrator or staff member has verified their email address by clicking on the link in the verification email. For security purposes, admins and staff can only log in after verifying their email address and creating a password. Role indicates the role assigned to a staff member, possibly including access to specific features and interfaces based on permissions. The two-factor authentication column indicates whether or not users have completed this step. To add administrators and staff, click the New Staff button. Enter their name, email, and role. Role is determined from the drop-down menu. Once all details are entered, click Save. The new user will receive a verification email to confirm and set their password to access the Komodo One platform and Service Desk. You can also determine access rights for each person based on their role, either account administrator, or technician. You should know that staff created here will be available throughout all of Komodo One, such as an IT and security manager, quote manager, and elsewhere. You are still able to add new staff members in an application through the Staff panel if you don't add them in the Admin panel, but those accounts will only be associated with that particular application. By default, staff members will be imported to Service Desk with the same role assigned in the Komodo One portal. You can subsequently assign them a role in Service Desk without altering their role in Komodo One. As tickets are routed to particular departments, you can assign appropriate staff members to respond to them. Support is the default department, but you can change it to maintenance, sales, or a new department you create. You can even create custom roles and departments with different responsibilities and permissions, which you'll learn in the future. In this section, we'll edit forms such as company information field forms, which may be a part of your company profile. For example, in automated response emails, it may have a name, company name, phone number, and email fields. In the Admin panel, under Manage, click on Forms, then click on Company Information. You will see open fields at the bottom of the list. In the first open field, add Address To and make it required and save changes. When you click back to the Settings tab and click on Company, you will see Address To as a new field. Another form that can be changed is Ticket Details, which edits required data fields in the ticketing landing page. Under Forms, click on the Ticket Details line and add in a new field, Alternate Email Address. This is more appropriate under Contact Information. Return to the Custom Form page, click on Contact Information, add the field for Alternate Email Address, and make it required. Then return to your Custom Support URL page, refresh it, and click on Open New Ticket. You will see that new field, Alternate Email Address, has been added. The Forms section has several other uses. For example, you can customize the routing of tickets. If you want to assign a ticket to a department based on preset filters, the tickets can be routed to the appropriate area for action. You can record a new landing page when you click on Add New Page under the Pages tab. You can name it, designate it as a landing page in the drop-down, and make it the status Active. Under the Help Topics tab, you can use this feature to make an FAQ. The more you can help users help themselves, the happier you both will be. Here, we've covered basic setup, adding your staff and departments, as well as creating forms. Were you working along? Time to take your first quiz. Then we'll move on to the next module, configuring accounts and adding customers.